Hi guys, welcome to a new studio vlog. So it is Tuesday afternoon and I've spent all day today filming a video and I actually just finished that. It's the start of a very busy new week because I have a ton of stuff that I want to get done before I fly home for Thanksgiving, and I'm really hoping that I can get it all done. But let me show you the video that I just filmed. So the video that I filmed today was a bullet journal video. I thought this would be fun for you guys to watch because I haven't done one of these in a while. And I tried out a new spread, at least it's kind of new for me. It's different than I've done in the past. And I like how it turned out, so I'm excited to start editing this video. Over here, I have a lot of supplies laid out. You guys get a sneak peek. This is all stuff for some upcoming videos. It's a bunch of craft supplies and other things that I found at a thrift store. You guys might have seen me post about this on my Instagram, but I've laid all this stuff out so that I can go through everything and plan out the videos and make sure I have all the supplies I need. I'm doing lots of fun Christmas videos. I'm not going to give too much away, but this is all for the Christmas videos that I'm doing. That's the majority of what I'm trying to get done in the next 2 weeks, is film just a bunch of Christmas videos because I'll be home at Thanksgiving for 2 weeks and I want to have some videos that I can edit while I'm home since I won't have that much else to work on while I'm there. And I just have some really fun ideas for Christmas and I'm really excited to get started on them and make sure I just have everything ready and get the ball rolling so that December doesn't come and I'm frantically trying to come up with Christmas content. So I can't wait for you guys to see all the stuff that I have planned. So I mostly cleaned off my desk, at least enough to start working again. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now. The sky is so bright blue and it's such a beautiful day. I might take advantage of this and go for a walk or something just to get outside.
Gonna take a walk in the snow. It is medicine for the soul. So much in my head these days. In the winter sky could fly away.
Hi guys, it's now Wednesday and I am filming a video. So it's already about 1:30 in the afternoon, but I really wanted to get this video filmed while I have all this sunlight. I just want to take advantage of this good lighting while I can.
My beers forget.
I'm vlogging on my phone now since I'm using my camera to film, but I just wanted to give you guys a little behind the scenes. I'm not going to give too much away, but here are some of the supplies that I'm using. I just finished filming the video right as the sun started fading, so that was perfect timing. I still need to get a few overview shots, but I'll do that tomorrow. That won't be that big of a deal. I think I'm going to start editing my video from yesterday now so that I can hopefully get that up on Friday or at least this weekend. The next morning and I'm still at the table. I've made some coffee and I'm working on some podcast notes for my Patreon podcast. After I have some coffee, I'm going to finish filming the video from yesterday and get this all cleaned up so I can film another video today. So it is now noon and I've gotten dressed. I finally cleaned off my desk and I finished the video that I was editing last night and this morning. I did the voiceover and got that all done. So that is currently uploading. Now I need to clean up the kitchen and then start filming another Christmas video. I've been on a roll with these Christmas videos. This is the third day in a row that I've filmed. I just need to get a lot of videos filmed before I leave for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be doing that almost every day until I leave. I decided I wanted to film on my dining table, so I pulled it into the living room since there's better lighting in here. And now I'm just gathering some supplies. Again, I don't want to give too much away of what the video is, but here's a little peek. So it's been a very productive morning. I just took a shower, so excuse my hair, but I've gotten a lot done. I got my new video uploaded. I'm finishing up the printable for this month for my Patreon. I'm almost done. This is a 2-page printable, and I have like some little designs that could be stickers or decorations for your journal, and then I'm making some mini Christmas cards on this page. Jaren's working from home today, so I think we decided to go to REI in a little bit. I need to finish getting ready, but I need to look for a warm raincoat. The rain jacket that I have right now is no longer waterproof, so that's going to be a problem here in Seattle this winter. And I think Jaren needs to look for a few things, so we're going to do that. And then when we get home, I'll finish up the printable and some other little work things that are on my to-do list.